partner, palapit na tayo dito sa island.
Everyone, this is the Seven Commando Beach. Right there. Okay? So after our captain drop us on the beach, this boat will be parked on here. Somewhere around the rainbow. Just bring the things today. If the coconut tree fell down, it's free out. One way comatose. Mami sir, you know why we called it Seven Commando Beach? Because 1990 Palawan is very active in illegal logging. And then there's a logger ship stranded on this area from Manila. They are from Manila. They got stranded in there and then they stay on this island for 30 days. So while they're waiting for the rescue, they put some paint vandal on that rock. Now it's erased. They put Seven Commando Company. That's their name, company names. The real name of this island is Ipil Island. Ipil Beach. Yeah, we adapt.
Hello mga idol, mga partner, nandito na kami sa 7th Commando Island, El Nido, Palawan. Ang puti ng ano,
No, but the Philippines is the same as South Korea.
Outside.
Everything was never been so big.